this out. Video from last night in Kansas as storms rolled across the region. Yep, that's Brandon Kopic, our Fox Weather exclusive storm tracker, out there taking a look at the storm. Now, I don't know about you, but those lightning strikes are intense. And this storm was quite intense, the mothership of a supercell, right? And lightning, a reminder, in order to get a severe thunderstorm warning, you need wind or hail, not always lightning. Well, lightning at all, in fact, is not the reason why a storm would be warned, but it's just as dangerous, if not deadly. So you want to make sure that when thunder roars, go indoors. Let's talk about severe weather, because I know we've just opened up the Atlantic hurricane season, but I don't want to lose sight of the fact that severe storms are still very much on the table through the summer months. And while May was rather lackluster in terms of seeing the most activity across the country, in particular, is the lowest month for tornado reports in quite a while, cracking into the top 10, sitting at about number 8. Now, through May, you typically look to the Tornado Alley, the plains, southern plains, into the Tennessee Valley as well. Through the month of June, this whole severe weather threat kind of shifts a touch to the north into familiar zones this year, like the upper Midwest, Illinois in particular, and then, of course, across the Dakotas and Kansas, Nebraska. That is where we had our storm tracker set up shop the last few days. They'll be there again today. So what are we looking at as June continues to open? Well, we know that warmth and humidity is pretty much a staple feature in our forecast for here on out. So what we look for is our jet stream. Where is it oriented and how strong is it going to be? Looking into next week, expecting this amplified jet pattern over the Pacific to then transfer into the United States. And so troughing and that dip in our jet stream on the west coast is what's going to be really the storm highway of these areas of low pressure to eject out of the northern Rockies. Remember, because we shifted things up to the north, that jet stream doesn't dip as far to the south through the Rockies. It starts to cut in across the central west coast, and then it lifts back up through the plains. And that's where we do have a severe weather threat already outlined for Tuesday. The Dakotas back on the table for all hazards at play with that heat and humidity. And again, a stronger jet pattern does introduce the opportunity for more wind shear and instability. So we'll be watching this closely as we head into the month of June, but the intensity of that severe weather does not quit.